100% off-grid, harnessing the power of the sun. This is the solar panel install video. So these are my Renogy 100 watt monocrystalline solar panels. This is the complete guide to show you how to install panels, and then I'm also going to talk about the importance of an off-grid setup. So you guys, this is how you do it. This is a big step in the van life, and I am really excited to be harnessing the power of the sun, living off-grid. Anywhere I go, I have the power to use my Vitamix. I have the power to use all my cooking essential. Here we go. Here's the power inverter. This is the solar charge controller right here. This allows me to harness the power of the sun and then use the inverter for all of my regular cooking needs, like my Omega juicer, my Vitamix, everything like that. I have to use the power inverter. And for things that I don't need the power inverter, I just go directly off of the battery. So you see the battery down there, I'm using 154 amp hours of power. So that means I can run my Vitamix, I can make smoothies in the morning, and everything's powered by the sun. So in just a few hours I'm recharged and I'm ready to make dinner or ready to make another smoothie or whatever I need. So a few other things that I want to talk about. I'm using a sink here controlled by my 100% spring water fed sink right here. So everything that you see right here in the sink is actually off-grid as well. So I have running water just like that at will anytime. So that's a 12 volt pump that's right here in the back. And then I also have this guy right here, a nice little USB charging system. So that and the sink are wired directly to the battery, so I don't need to use the inverter at all. So again, the only time I need to turn on the inverter is when I want to use the cooktop and like my Vitamix or anything like that, because it's using a direct input just like you would at your normal house. You can use straight DC power if you're going straight off of your battery. So that's a lot more efficient, and I really suggest you use as much power from DC as you can, because every time you turn on this power inverter right here, it's going to cost you electricity. Okay, so this build is a huge step in the van life. I am so stoked to be able to take the power of the sun and harness it and use it for all of my needs. Literally just be able to chill, sit right here and cook everything that I need, use the Vitamix, making green juice, everything I need anytime, anywhere. It doesn't get any better than that. So I know you guys have been asking me a lot of questions about what kind of setup I have, what I'm using to cook. So please, if you have any more questions, leave it in the comments below. I'm gonna be getting you some links so you can just link directly to anything that you saw that you wanted to use, whether it's the Renogy solar panels or the power inverter or the extra little plug adapter that I used. Everything's going to be in the comments below, so look out for that. And again, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and click subscribe by hitting the icon below. It's very much appreciated, you guys. I really enjoy making these videos for you, and I'll be traveling and showing you some more recipe videos as well, so stay tuned. Okay, blessings.